Welcome to Star School students. Today we are going to see about chapter number 7, chapter name Fraction in 6th Maths NCERT book. Last video we saw exercise number 7.2 which was related to types of fraction, that is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Now today we are going to see about exercise number 7.3 which is related to equivalent and simple form of fraction. What? Equivalent and simplest form of fraction. It is nothing but two or more fractions are said to be equivalent if their simplest form are same. Okay, next. Let's move the exercise sum. Take exercise number 7.3. Question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction (3 by 5) having let me take the first subdivision. Denominator 20. Find the equivalent fraction 3 by 5 having denominator 20. What do you mean by equivalent fraction? Already I told different fraction representing same number. Okay. So we are given certain condition. Let me see. 3 by 5. The given question is 3 by 5. Here what is given? 20, denominator 20 is given. So we have to multiply 4 on both numerator and denominator. Because the denominator is multiplied by 4 means the numerator must also multiply by 4. So 5 4s are 20, then 3 4s are 12. This is the answer. So therefore 3 by 5 equal to 12 by 20. This is called equivalent fraction. Next, let's see the another sum. D subdivision. Numerator 27. This is given. We have to find numerator 27. So 3 by 5 is common for this fourth question. What is given? Numerator. Numerator means above the line. Numerator is 27. We have to find the denominator of this sum. So which number we have to multiply on both numerator and denominator? 9. Because 9 3s are 27. So the numerator is multiplied by 9 and denominator must also multiplied by 9. So 9 5s are what? 9 5s are 45. 45. So the denominator is 45. Therefore 3 by 5 equal to 27 by 45. When the numerator 27. This is the answer. Next we have to move the fifth sum. The question also same model. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 divided by 48 with a subdivision numerator 9. So again the same concept, write down whatever the given with find the rest of the part. So we have to find the which part? Denominator part. 36 divided by 48. The given is numerator 9. See thus, here 9 is smaller than 36. So we have to divide both numerator and denominator. So we have to divide 4. Thirty-six divided by 4 means we get 9, and same that 48 divided by 4 means we get 12. This is the answer. So 9 into 4 equal to 36, 12 into 4 equal to 48. Next we have to take the sixth sum. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. So in this sum we are going to check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not equivalent. Okay, let's see the first sum. First subdivision, 5 by 9, 30 by 54. See this subdivision, which one is greater number? Here 30 and 30 by 54 is greater number. Compare this number 5 by 9. So we have to find simplest form of 30 by 54 because 30 by 54 is greater. We have to cancel in 6 table. 5 6 are 60. 9 6 are 54. So the answer is 5 by 9. The simplest form of 30 by 54 is 5 by 9. So these two numbers are equal. Okay, 5 by 9 and 30 by 54 are equivalent fraction. Hence, therefore, 5 by 9 and 30 by 54 are equivalent fraction. Both are equivalent. We can move the subdivision B. Three by 10, 12 by 50. Here which one is greater fraction? 3 by 10 or 12 by 50? Here 12 by 50 is greater fraction. So we have to find the simplest form of 12 by 50. We have to cancel these two numbers. In two tables, 6 2s are 12, 25. 25 2s are 25s are 50. Okay, we get the answer 6 by 25. This is the simplest form of 12 by 50. Okay. Now compare these two numbers, 3 by 10 and 6 by 25. These two numbers are same or not? Different. Both numbers are different. 3 by 10 and 6 by 25 is different. So this is not equivalent fraction. So we can write 3 by 10 and 6 by or 12 by 50. 12 by 50 or not equivalent fraction. Next, let's move the seventh sum. Reduce the following fraction. Reduce the following fraction to simplest form. Reduce the following fraction to simplest form. So just divide it to make it to the simplest form where the common factor. Let we take the first subdivision, 48 by 60. We have to divide this table. 48 divided by 60. So in this sum we have to find the factor of 48. We get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Next we have to find the factor of 16. We get the answer 2 into 3 into 5. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Here which one is common factor? Here common factor is 2 and 3. 2, 3. So we have to cancel this number. We have to write in the remaining number. 2 into 2 divided by 5. 2 2s are 4 divided by 5. So therefore the simplest form of 48 divided by 60 is 4 by 5. Next let's move the subdivision E. It's also same. 7 by 28. What is the first step? We have to find the factor of 7 and 28. What is the factor of 7? 1 into 7. This is the factor of 7. Here 28 is 1 into 2 into 2 into 7. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Then third step is we have to circle the common factor of 7 and 28. Here common factor is only 1 and 7. We have to cancel these two terms. We have to write the answer 1 divided by 4. Here there is no number, so we have to write 1. Are you clear? Next we have to move the next 8th sum. Question number 8. Question number 8. Ramesh had 20 pencils. Shilu had 5 pencils. And Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Shilu used up 25 pencils. And Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? Check. if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencil. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Sheelu had 5 pencils and Jamal had 8 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Sheelu used 25 pencils and Jamal used 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fractions of her or his pencil. So this is our question. We have to find the fraction of each members. So first we have to take the Ramesh, the character of Ramesh. Here Ramesh had how many pencils? 20 pencils. So total pencil is 'he used how many pencils? Out of 20. He used 10 pencils out of 20. So Ramesh used 10 pencils. Okay. So next we have to find the fraction of these two. Ramesh used up 10 pencil out of 20 pencil. Then we have to convert the simplest form. First 10 is the 10 by 20. What is the simplest form of 10 by 20? We have to cancel. In 10 table, 10 ones are 10, 2 tens are 20. So the answer is we get 1 by 2. Next we have to move the Sheelu character. How many pencils Sheelu had? The total number of pencil is 50. Total number of pencil is 50. How many pencils she used? She used 25 pencils. So we have to find the fraction of these two. We get fraction equal to 25 divided by 50. So she used a 25 pencil out of 50 pencil. Then we have to convert the simplest form. We have to cancel in 5 table or 25 table. We get 1 25s are 25, 2 25s are 50. So we get the answer 1 by 2. The next character is Jamal. He had how many pencil? 80 pencil. He had 80 pencil. Pencil used how many pencil he used? He used 40 out of 80 pencil. What is the fraction? Fraction equal to 40 divided by 80. we have to cancel in 40 table. We get 1 divided by 2. 140s are 40, 240s are 80. So at last compare these two members. The fraction is same. So since all of them used half of their pencil, therefore each has used an equal fraction pencil. This is the answer. Can use right. Since all of them, Ramesh, Sheelu and Jamal, used half of their pencil. Therefore, each has used up equal fraction pencil. Equal fraction of pencils. This is over. This sum is over. Next we have to move the homework sum. This is your homework sum. Okay, thank you students.